Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect chocolate covered strawberries. They only require 3 ingredients to make and they are so easy. But before we get started, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. Now let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is melt half of my chocolate. This can be done in a double boiler as you see me doing here, or you can do this in the microwave. Once my chocolate is melted, I turn off the heat and I begin adding in the rest of my chocolate a little at a time. Now, you want to remember you do not want to overheat your chocolate because it will be almost impossible to temper this. If it gets too hot, which just translate to your chocolate not setting properly and it won't have that beautiful snap and glossy finish. So now I'm just going to repeat the same steps for my white chocolate. I'm going to melt half, then I'll remove it from the heat. Then I'll go ahead and add any other half. And then it's going to be time for my favorite part, which is the dipping and the decorating. So to dip the strawberries, you can insert a toothpick at the stem like I'm doing, or you can just grab them by the stems if you want to, and then dip them in the chocolate. I like to use a toothpick or something similar because I have more control of the strawberry and the chocolate that way. I'm just going to continue to dip each strawberry in the chocolate. Then I'm going to place them on a parchment lined sheet pan for a few minutes to set. Now to decorate the strawberries, using a spatula or a fork, coat it in the white chocolate. Then using a back and forth motion, drizzle it over the strawberries. It's that simple to make beautiful chocolate covered strawberries. There is no need for fancy equipment or piping bags here, folks. Is there anything better than chocolate and strawberries? I mean, you're never gonna find another dessert as easy to make and enjoy than this. Well guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe. I'll see you later.